Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out some of the items that I've found for this week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. I'll have all of these items linked down in the description for you guys with their own independent links, so it's all easy to find. I'll have two additional links that says tools and tools continued. Those two links are going to take you to a long list of items that I've went over in the past. A lot of really good items on there. So let's go ahead and get right into this. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. But the first item we're looking at is the Duratech stubby ratcheting wrench set. They do have non-ratcheting, they have flex heads, lots of different variations, metric, SAE, and this is not on sale at $35. I actually got this, I don't know, I'd say 3 weeks ago now, because I have tons and tons of different wrenches. Extra long double box ends, I have 3 or 4 brands, tons of combination wrenches, deep offsets, stubbies, ratcheting, flex head, I mean tons of different designs. For some reason, over the last 10 years, I never picked up a ratcheting set of stubbies. Got these, didn't need something super expensive. These have been great. Now, I've only had them a few weeks, but they've been great. They're a big upgrade just from a normal stubby, at least when I'm fighting tight areas, and you have to use a stubby. At least now I have a ratcheting version, so I'm not sitting there doing 1/8 turns at a time with a standard stubby combination wrench. So if you're a weekend warrior DIYer that's just looking to have a variety of different wrenches, I think these are perfectly fine. Now for the professional field, obviously you might want to step it up a little bit, but they are stubbies, so typically you're not putting a lot of torque on them or anything like that. These are 72 tooth, 5-degree arc swing. With this set specifically, it does skip a few sizes. So you have 10, 11, it skips 12. You get 13, 14, it skips 15. You get 16, 17, 18, 19. So still a pretty good variety. I mean, you're not missing out on a whole lot. They are chrome vanadium. It's an 8-piece set. It comes in a roll pouch, as you can see here, and it's actually a pretty nice little roll pouch as well. I was pretty impressed for the price that you pay for this set, the quality that you get. There you can see the roll pouch. It does have loops to hang it. It does have a flap that comes down and covers it, and button snaps, as you can see here in the center. So whether you want to keep it in this roll pouch, throw it in the truck, throw it in the toolbox like that, on a pegboard like this, or take them out of this roll pouch and put them on an organizer. I think it's a nice little set, especially for $35, not on sale. They do have the SAE at $33, but this has 4.7 stars, 1,191 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Atuman 40-in-1. This was a very popular one a few months back. Really nice little set here. I actually just did a review on their new set that's coming out, and that's when I found out about this one. I really like its design. You got kind of a roto head design with a magnetic end, so it makes it very versatile. And then you get a good variety of bits, not excessive, not a bunch of bits the typical person wouldn't use. I mean, you got your common bits here, so that's really nice. And you got some sockets that range from 5 mil all the way up to 13 mil. So not like a full set of 1/4-inch drive, but still a decent size socket coverage for this small set. You have an extension here that you can either throw on the handle side or the ratcheting side. There you can see the set a little bit better. Magnetic design, so if you need to extend the handle or if you need to use it as an extension, you can use that other piece as that. And then you do have this latch here where you can lock the roto head in certain positions. There's just a couple different variations of how you can use the ratchet. It is a 45 tooth design, and there's everything included if you want to pause and read that. And it is a list price of $50. Definitely wouldn't pay $50 for it, but it is on sale at $35. And then there's a coupon that brings it down to $31.50, which I think is a great price for this set. But please let me know your guys' thoughts. This has 4.5 stars, 69 ratings. Next up, we're looking at a Casoman 10-piece 3H drive deep well universal impact socket set, 6-point design, chromoly steel. This is the metric set ranging from 10 to 19 millimeter. Now this is a pin design. Typically pin universal sockets are going to be more affordable than your pinless, and there are different variations of a pinless design. Everybody has their preference, but if you're a weekend warrior DIYer that's trying to save some money but have a good variety, universal sockets can be amazing to have on hand. Yes, you can use a universal joint with sockets, which is extremely affordable, but if you just want to have a variety and not break the bank, there are lots of brands out there now. Back in the day, you couldn't get affordable universal sockets. You were paying $100 at least for a set like this. or you were just using a universal joint. So the fact that we have tons of different brands out there in this price range, and while they're not the top of the line quality, 90% of people, weekend warriors, DIYers, are going to be perfectly happy with sets like this. I have a couple sets of affordable and expensive sets, and I'd say here at the house I haven't had an issue with any of them. Really good coverage here, 10 through 19 without skipping a size. They are laser engraved and stamped, chromoly steel. So I mean, honestly, for this price, I think it's a really good set. Even some of the other cheaper sets out there, or, you know, on the cheaper end of universal sockets, aren't this cheap. This one is priced really, really well. At $36.87, it has a typical price of basically $41. So some really good savings on here. And they do have shallows, deeps, metric, SAE. This has 4.7 stars, 1,767 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Starwork True Mechanics 153-piece Master Impact Socket set. This thing, if you're a weekend warrior DIYer, this is going to have basically anything you could need as far as impact sockets. It is at $319.88, down from a list price of $339, so a little bit of savings on there. But even at this price, what's included in this set is absolutely phenomenal. I think this is one of the best coverage sets out there for this price range. If you piece together impact socket sets, you're spending at least this. And in this, you're getting 1/4-inch drive, 3/8, 1/2-inch drive, extensions, universals, adapters, reducers. I mean, there's a lot in this. The other thing that I like is typically when you buy 1/4-inch, 3/8, 1/2-inch individually, you're getting a lot of overlap. You'll get like 4 or 5 sockets in each one of those sets that then overlap, which is fine. Depending on the type of work that you do or situations that you find yourself in. But what's nice about this is 1/4-inch drive goes up so high, you might have 1 or 2 that overlap from 1/4-inch to 3/8, and then 1 or 2 that overlap from 3/8 to 1/2-inch drive. Hopefully that makes sense. But this is a really well put together set, both metric and SAE. SAE in the red, metric in blue for the universal sockets. These are pin designed as well, but still really good coverage on those. So for 1/4-inch drive, you're going to have, this is deep well, 4 through 11 in 1/4-inch drive. 3/8 is going to start at 12, go to 19. It skips 20, but then 1/2-inch drive starts at 21 and goes all the way up to 32. It does skip 31 and 29, 28, 25, but that's very typical. Those are very common ones to be missing out of a lot of sets, and while those are missing, you still got great coverage there. 4 through 32, all 3 drive sizes, not a bunch of overlap, so you're not getting a bunch of unnecessary doubles. But then you also have tons of shallows. Starting down here in the 1/4-inch drive, it comes wraps around, then you get 3/8, and then all the way up to 1/2-inch drive, and that goes for SAE as well. Then you got E-Torx down here at the bottom right corner. You got Torx bit sockets over here on the left in both 1/4-inch and 3/8. You got 1/2-inch extensions. You got 3/8 extensions. You got 1/4-inch extensions. Then you even have impact rated just universal joints. So if these universal sockets doesn't have what you need as far as sizes, or maybe you need a deep well, you still got your universal joints up top. And then you have a couple of ratchets. Don't care for the ratchets. They're bulkier, generic design, and they have that phosphate finish, so it just feels like you're grabbing a chalkboard. I can't stand the ratchets. Not that there's an issue with, you know, binding or quality, but I just don't like ratchets in impact socket sets, if that makes sense. And these just, I can't stand the texture being on a ratchet. That's just my personal preference. Also, there are adapters and reducers over here on the left as well. But this is one of the best put together affordable sets with really good coverage. Shallow, deep, SAE, metric, extensions, adapters, reducers, universals. I mean, just a great set. There is all of the sizes if you would like to pause and read that. But $320, I think it's well worth it. I have a full review coming on this, so stay tuned for that. This has 4.7 stars, 136 ratings. Next up, we are looking at the Gearwrench 33-inch extendable indexing pry bar. This is a phenomenal pry bar. There are other brands out there that sell it. There are also other sizes out there. This is the 33-inch one. It is normally at $88. It does have a coupon that brings it down to $79. These are really nice because not only are they extendable so you can get more leverage, but with the indexing head, it makes it extremely universal and versatile for a lot of different situations. You can get tons of leverage where a normal pry bar, you got a little bit of angle, the length is fixed. This is just very, very adaptable for a lot of different situations, and it is pretty impressive how strong these are and how much abuse these can take. So just having one of these around can alleviate a lot of issues. Now, I will say, with this coupon bringing it down to $80, it's a decent deal. Every once in a while, you'll see it closer to the $70 price. A lot of other brands sell these around the same size for anywhere from this price up to like $150, $200. There may be, I think I saw a couple that were cheaper, but they literally had like 2 stars, so I wasn't about to mention those. And this one I have experience with and really enjoy having it around. So 4.8 stars, 2,410 ratings. Then last up on this week's Amazon Tool Deals is another Gearwrench product. This is the 39-piece quarter-inch drive micro driver set. This is with the 120 XP ratchet. They do have a couple different variations of these sets. They have an older version of it, which you can actually find on sale pretty often. I'll try and find that one for the next video if it's on sale. But still, I really like this set put together. These little meme kits, you know, they're not for everybody. But for those that use tools like this on a regular basis, these can be a game changer. If you don't use small stuff like this on a regular basis, it's not going to be worth it to you. And that goes for any brand out there. But a lot of these can be phenomenal for those that do use tools like this. And I like this set. I think it's got good coverage. 8 through 14. It does skip 9, 11. And then you have 1/4 inch through 9/16. You got the 2 1/4 inch drive extensions, your locking flex head 1/4 inch drive ratchet, 120 XP, which I'm a big fan of. The new design here, very low profile. It does have a little bit of play in the locking mechanism, but still works just fine. You got a universal joint, your bit driver, and your common bits, slotted Phillips, Torx, and Allen. There you can see it a little bit better. So I think it's a pretty nice little set. It is typically at $66.14. It's down to $61.75. So while not a cheap set, some pretty good savings off of its typical price. Every once in a while, you'll see it around $56, $57, but that's not very common. So I think that's a pretty good price that it's sitting at right now. But that's it as far as this week's Amazon Tool Deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. Once again, all of these are linked down in the description. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.